Hello and welcome to Videopro Newstead. My name is Pat and I'm very excited today as we get to show you Australia's very first Logitech video conferencing wall. So let's jump in and take a look. So here we are. Now, Logitech are leaders in the video conferencing industry, and it's here that you can get some hands-on experience with their technology, starting with the Logitech Dock. The Logitech Dock gives you a speakerphone with a USB hub that connects your USB peripherals like your keyboard, headphones and web camera all through one cable. This makes it perfect for the home office or those who work remotely. Now we move on to your meeting rooms, and Logitech have a whole range of technologies that will help you get the best video conferencing experience out of any meeting room, no matter what the size. And you can start with something like this that suits your small to medium meeting rooms. It features a Logitech MeetUp, which gives you a 4K PTZ camera, beamforming microphones, and a speaker for quality audio experience. It also has a Logitech Tap. This acts as a scheduler and provides you with full control over your Microsoft Teams room. It also has an HDMI ingest, which allows you to bring in your laptop screen directly into the Teams call. These are both driven and connected to your Microsoft Teams NUC. If you need to step things up for a larger room, you can move across to something like this. And the main difference here is the video conferencing soundbar, and here we have the Logitech Rally Mini. It has a second camera which enhances the auto framing functionality, better beamforming microphones which give you better coverage across a room, and better speakers that enhance the sound delivery for your larger spaces. And both of these solutions are Microsoft Teams certified. So whether it's for home or the business, if you're looking to enhance your video conferencing, make sure you come in and experience it for yourself.